Hello everyone, this is Dr. Jasmine again. Menstruation is an important phenomenon in every woman's life. Researchers have shown that 40 to 50% of women struggle with one or more menstrual issues like headache, back pain, premenstrual symptom, dysmenorrhea or stomach pain, and muscle cramps. Menstruation starts at 13 to 15 years of age and stops by 50 to 55 years. So most of us have to go through this discomfort every month for 30 to 40 years. Medication or tablets for long duration has its own side effects, and sometimes this reliance can become a type of addiction. For some, this is the only resolve. I practice and suggest a medication-free life as much as possible. Yoga stretches are very simple and effective remedies to pain and cramps. So today, let's learn a few yoga poses for menstrual pain and cramps. Menstrual pain is mainly due to tension or spasm in our pelvic muscles, and sometimes it can be due to hormonal changes or imbalances too. By stretching these pelvic muscles, it helps to ease the pain and spasm, relieves the backaches, and also relaxes the cramps. These stretches are always done with deep breathing, which helps to provide sufficient oxygen to these muscles and organs. Good blood supply also helps to relax and relieve the discomfort. So, let's have a look at a few stretches for menstrual pain. Do not forget to breathe well. In today's practice, adopting the final pose isn't important. Remember, we are in pain and are trying to relax, so do not overstrain or push yourself. It's important to breathe well.
For today's practice, it is beneficial to have 2 pillows or cushions. You can relax and rest on these cushions after stretching. First pose is Baddha Konasana. This pose is helpful for all women. This pose helps to stretch the pelvic muscles and improve the circulation to this region. If you have severe bleeding, then try and avoid practicing this pose. From Sukhasana, stretch your right leg front, then your left leg. Inhale deeply and relax. Now bend your right leg, then your left leg. Try and hold your feet with both your hands. Inhale deeply and relax once again. Inhale, and as you exhale, slowly bend forward. You do not have to touch your forehead to the yoga mat to reach the final pose. Just do it as much as you can. Remember to try and breathe well. Once again, inhale and up. Exhale, down. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Stretch your pelvic muscles well. Now once again, inhale and come up. Exhale and down. Now slowly come up. Let's release the pose. Stretch your right leg front, left leg front. Come to Sthiti and relax in Sukhasana or any comfortable pose. Next pose is Janu Sirsasana. This pose helps to stretch and relax your lower back and pelvic muscles. Low back pain is a very common complaint during menstruation. From Sukhasana, stretch your right leg front. Place the left foot at the root of your right thigh. Place the pillows or cushions on your right thigh. Inhale and raise both your hands above your head. Interlock your fingers. Stretch them outward. Inhale well. As you exhale, bend forward. Bend as much as you can. Do not push yourself to touch the toe or reach the final pose. Relax your forehead on the pillow. Once again, inhale and come up. Exhale and bend forward. Feel the stretch in your pelvic muscles. Normal breathing while you are relaxing. Inhale and come up. Exhale and slowly release the pose in reverse direction. Now let's go for a side stretch. Inhale and take your hands above your head. Interlock your fingers. Stretch it outward. Now as you exhale, bend sideward. Rest on the cushions or pillows. Maintain the pose for a minute. Normal breathing in this pose. Now slowly come up and release the pose in reverse direction. Now let's practice the same pose on the opposite side. From Sukhasana, stretch your left leg front. Place your right foot at the root of your left thigh. Place the cushions or pillows on your left thigh. Inhale and raise your hand up to shoulder level. Exhale and turn your palm up. Inhale and take your hand above your head. Interlock your fingers, stretch them outward. Inhale well, and as you exhale, bend forward. Completely relax your head and chest on the cushions. Feel the stretch at your lower back and pelvic region. Inhale and come up. Exhale and bend forward. Stretch well. Now inhale and come up. Let's bend sideward. Inhale well. As you exhale, bend to your side. Remember, you should feel the stretch at the sides of your trunk. Inhale and come up. Exhale and release the pose in opposite direction. Next pose is Upavistha Konasana. This pose helps to relax the tension in your pelvic muscles and also improves the blood circulation to this region. From Sukhasana, stretch your right leg front, then your left leg. Now keep your legs 3 to 4 feet apart. Place the cushions in between both your legs, close to your thighs. Inhale and raise your hands above your head. Interlock your fingers, stretch them outward. Exhale and bend forward. Relax your forehead and your chest. Inhale and come up. Slowly release your hand. Place it on your chest. Relax for a while. Once again, inhale and stretch. Exhale and bend forward. Feel the stretch in your pelvic muscles. Inhale and come up. Relax for a while. Once again, inhale and stretch. Exhale and bend forward. This stretch in your pelvic muscles helps to relax the tension. Inhale and come up. Exhale and release the pose in opposite direction. Keep the pillows aside. Now bend your right leg. Bend your left leg. Relax in Sukhasana. Next pose is Balasana. This pose is very beneficial for low back pain and muscle cramps. It's also a wonderful pose to rest or relax during menstruation. From Sukhasana, stretch your right leg front, then your left leg. Now bend your right leg. Bend your left leg. This is Vhaghrasana. Now place your knees slightly apart. Place the cushions in between your knees. Inhale and take your hands above your head. Give a slight backward bend. Exhale and bend forward. Relax your stomach, chest, face and hands on the pillow. You can relax in this pose as long as you can. It's a wonderful pose to sit when you have severe back pain. Once again, inhale deeply, bend slightly backward, exhale and bend forward. You can also practice this pose on your bed. Inhale and slowly come up. Slowly release your hand. Place the pillows aside. Now come back to Vhaghrasana. Now stretch your right leg front, left leg and relax in Sukhasana. Next pose is Vhaghrasana or a variation of tiger pose. This pose is good for muscle cramps and to relax the pain in your lower abdomen. So here we have to mainly concentrate on our breathing. From Sukhasana, stretch your right leg forward, then your left leg. Now bend your right leg and your left leg. This is Vhaghrasana. Now place your forearm right in front of your knee joint, palms on the floor, and slowly come upon all fours. This is tiger pose. Inhale, look up, exhale and bend your head down. Try and touch your chin to your chest. Inhale and up, curve your spine into downward C shape. Exhale and bend your head down. Chin to chest, raise your spine up. Inhale and up, exhale and down. Inhale and up, exhale and down. Now to further relax and stretch your hips, let's go for the circular motion. Rotate your hips in circular motion. Now completely stretch your right leg back. Stretch the muscles on the front of your thigh and your lower abdomen. Now same thing on the left side. Concentrate on the stretch. Now again rotate the hips in circular motion. Now once again, bend down, inhale and look up, exhale and down. Whilst doing this, make sure you're giving enough oxygen to all the muscles. Now slowly release the pose, sit in Vhaghrasana. Now stretch your right leg front, left leg and relax in Sukhasana. Next pose is lumbar stretch. This pose helps to relax your lower back and abdomen. From Sukhasana, stretch your right leg, then stretch your left leg. Now slowly, with this elbow support, lie down on your back. Keep your legs apart, hands apart, palms facing upward. Relax in Shavasana. Now come to Sthiti. Bring your legs together, hands by the side of your thighs. Now bend your right knee, then your left. Inhale and raise your hands up to your shoulder level. Palms facing down. Inhale deeply. As you exhale, turn your legs to your left, head to your right. Slowly come back. And next, head to your right, legs to your left. Inhale and come back. As you exhale, turn your head to left, legs to your right. Feel the stretch in your arm, back, abdomen, buttocks and thighs. This pose mainly relaxes your lower back and your abdomen. Let's practice it once again. Now slowly come back. Turn your legs to right and head to your left. Back to your pose. Same practice on the opposite side. Your legs to your left, head to your right. Now in the opposite direction. Now let's slowly release our pose. Stretch your right leg front, left leg front, come to Sthiti and relax in Shavasana. Next pose is Ekapada Pavanamuktasana. It's a best practice for low back pain and lower abdomen pain. From Shavasana, come to Sthiti. Bring your legs together, hands by the side of your thighs, palms facing to your thighs. Now slowly bend your right knee, hold your right leg with both your hands, feel the pressure on your lower abdomen. Now slowly stretch your right leg forward. Same practice on the left leg, bend your left knee, hold your left leg with both your hands, maintain it well, feel the pressure. Slowly release the pose. Let's do the same practice on right side. Once again, bend your right knee, catch hold of your right leg with both your hands. Now slowly release your hands, release the pose. Same practice on left side, bend your left knee, catch hold of your left leg with both your hands, maintain it for a while. Now slowly release your hands, stretch your left leg front and relax in Shavasana. Keep your legs apart, hands apart, palms facing upward. The last practice is Supta Baddha Konasana. This practice is very beneficial mainly in case of muscle cramps and also to relax the lower abdomen pain. Now place the either pillows on either side of your knee joint. With your elbow support, lie down on your back. Now bend your right knee, Place your right knee joint on the right pillow, left knee, place it on the left pillow. Now gently massage your abdomen with your hands. Give circular movements. Relax your abdominal muscles. Gently rub your lower abdomen. Place your hands on your lower abdomen. Relax for a while. Now slowly stretch your left leg, then your right leg and come to Sthiti. Now slowly let's go to the sitting pose. Raise your right hand up, place it on the floor behind, bend at your left knees, turn towards your right side and slowly come up.
If you find this video useful and would like to watch more videos on this topic, then please comment and let me know. I love to read your comments and know how you're going with these yoga stretches. Please do like and share the video with your friends and families. And do not forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I post my next video. Thank you.